Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a delicious almond milk right here in the Greenstar Elite Juicer by TriBest. Alright, so in the bowl here I've actually soaked some almonds overnight in, so 1 cup of almonds with the husk to 3 cups of water. And I've also put some dates in there to soak with it to sweeten it up, okay? So a really simple recipe. Let's turn on our Greenstar Elite Juicer and get milking. I'm just going to ladle the ingredients through the top. So there's a whole date and some almonds. Put that through. Keep ladling in these beautiful soaked almonds, pushing them into the twin gears. You'll see any pulp is going to come out the end here. Okay, so the husk basically is coming out the end, and you'll see that beautiful creamy milk coming out the bottom here. Okay, so just keep going. I want to get these dates in there. There we go, the beautiful fresh dates. That is it, well, you're done. So you can see that I've just got all the husk here. You can feel how dry that is. All right, the Greenstar Elite Juicer is going to do such a good job at squeezing every little drop of milk from those nuts. Look at that, beautiful. Try some of that. Absolutely delicious. Best way to make almond milk in the Greenstar Elite Juicer. Happy juicing.